Taking a look at gold. So here, somewhere between here and around here, so we are pretty much ranging here. Not quite sure where to go. Sometimes kind of breakouts below the support and resistance line here, but at some point we will have to decide to go up or down. But for now, here the 4-hour chart. So here is kind of a support and resistance zone. So here we broke above it, pull back, pull back, pull back. Here all these kind of false breakouts. So this is why usually support and resistance zone is a little bit of a zone, a bigger one. But here we broke out again, and now we didn't see the immediate pullback on the 4-hour chart, which means we could actually go higher here. At least for now, it looks like we will. Here is kind of a smaller resistance zone again, which wasn't too big of a deal previously, which means here, well, we could look for shorts here, but it looks like we could actually break and hit the bigger resistance zone here at 1830, which is where I would look for shorts again. So if we check down the lower time frames here, the 2-hour chart, so here kind of a bullish candlestick, so which tells us that we probably will go higher. Here again a consolidation pattern after a bullish move with 3 candlesticks on the 1-hour chart often indicates that we will here go higher again. If we go down to the 30 minutes, so here kind of a channel being formed as well. Here along this trend line, nicely bouncing off. Here also kind of a double bottom, same that we saw here. So looks like we could go to maybe around here, since the same happened here after the double top. We went higher, broke the previous resistance line and went a bit higher before pulling back and then jumping straight up. So here if we go higher, which would be breaking this zone, which would be around here, then pulling maybe back again and going higher. So which means from here we will go probably to here and then maybe see a pullback and going higher from here. Checking the 15-minute chart as well. So here this consolidation pattern, now breaking out of it, retest and going all the way to 1825, around somewhere around here. Here again this move. 5-minute chart. So maybe we can find here a pullback, but for now it looks like we will head higher. So for now, being a buyer on scalping strategy pretty much, and then looking for shorts around here somewhere. The area is a little bit bigger, so keep that in mind. Just that you don't look for a specific line and think, yeah, I'm gonna short here. So always, since it can always happen that you suddenly see, since gold, sometimes sees bigger moves, candlesticks like this, we could suddenly see a jump above this line. So always look for bearish signs if you want to short here. But since gold likes to range a lot, this is the area that we are trading in. So buying lows, selling highs is what works. So short gold here around something like this. Well, risk reward is up to you, also entry exit, but this would be kind of a analyzed trade to take, so the entry is always up to you as well. So here, gaining some bullish momentum at this kind of smaller resistance line, so here we will head to here and then see a pullback. So this was gold. So let's check the oil market as well. Let's start with the weekly. So pretty much here is always kind of an uptrend since the corona incident, which means here we could break now this resistance line again and go all the way to past 85 and then whatever comes after that. So here the daily, not much to see. Again here the resistance points, 4-hour chart. Here kind of a double bottom, might pull back here along the trend line, which means here could be a first retest, here could be maybe the second one. Checking the 1-hour chart, so pretty much here consolidation movement or whatever you want to call it. So here a bit of a strange move on the 1-hour chart, always the 3-4 bigger candlesticks, which always indicate a move to the upside. And now here a bit of a ranging pattern, and here a break above the resistance line, and here could be a bullish flag. So initially, if we break above this smaller consolidation or bullish flag channel, I would look for buys, since this looks like a breakout and a retest here on the smaller time frames. If we check the 15-minute chart as well, here lower lows, lower highs, indicating a bullish flag. 5-minute chart as well. So initially, if we break here, I mean, we probably will see a retest of this line again. But if we break here then, and at the same time, so if we break this trend line, I go for a retest and then move fire and break the previous support and resistance line. So either it will be this one, or if we pull again, if we pull back again, then it will be this one, and then have a retest here and break this line or this. This is where I would enter and look for buys. So this was the crude oil market. Then checking the natural gas as well quickly. Daily chart, well, here not seeing much movement. Here somewhere is a support line. Bearish momentum going on for chart quickly. So here's the consolidation pattern. Here a bit of a downtrend, wherever you want to draw this line. Here kind of a bearish candlestick close to the trend line here as well. Here we had another one. So here one, here a smaller one, then a breakout, but it was the wrong one. Here a smaller, and here a bullish candlestick. So which could mean we will head lower. So natural gas looks pretty bearish for now. At the same time, note that winter is more or less over, and thus the need for natural gas is rather low and getting lower. So not much going on here on the 5-minute chart. Here consolidation pattern, here one. So here one, bit of a choppy one, then a move, then consolidation, move, low, now consolidation, and then we could go lower here. So natural gas pretty bearish, unless we break here suddenly and see a turnaround, but not much going on. So this was the analysis for natural gas.